So now you have finished to set the daily time limit on your Facebook account. Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set daily time limit on Facebook account. So if you want to set limit time for using your Facebook account, it's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. From here, you can go to the three lines over here. You can scroll down, choose on settings and privacy, tap on settings. From settings, you can just scroll down until you find there is an option time management. You can just tap on that. And in here, there is an option daily limit under the sleep mode. You can just tap on that. So, by default, your daily limit is off. If you want to turn this on, we can adjust the time range. So, for the example, you can set 15 minutes, 30, 45, 1 hour, 2 hours, or you can custom the time like this. For example, I will choose on 1 hour. So after 1 hour, Facebook will remind you to close Facebook when you spend this amount of time in a day. Don't forget to tap on save. So now you have finished to set the daily time limit on your Facebook account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to set daily time limit on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!